In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a status update on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. The first step in sharing your thoughts or updates on LinkedIn is to start a post. From your LinkedIn home feed, you'll see a box at the top that says Start a Post. Go ahead and click on that box. This action will open up the Post Composer, where you'll be drafting your message. Now, it's time to write your message. In this text field, you can share an update, insight, or professional milestone that you think would be valuable to your network. Just type out your thoughts as you would if you were speaking to a colleague. Remember, the clarity of your message is important, so ensure it's well structured and to the point. If you're looking to make your post more engaging or visually appealing, consider adding media. At the bottom of the composer, you'll notice a media icon. Click on that to attach a photo or video to your post. A compelling image or a brief video can really draw attention and enhance your message. If you want to explore more specialized post types, LinkedIn offers various options. For instance, if you're planning an upcoming professional gathering, you can create an event by selecting that option. This feature is fantastic for inviting your network to join you. Another option is to celebrate an occasion, such as a work anniversary or a new job. This allows you to share your milestones and gather support from your connections. If you're interested in exploring even more options, simply click the plus icon located within the composer. This will give you access to additional formats that might suit your needs. For instance, you can share that you're hiring, which can help you reach potential job candidates. You might also want to create a poll. This feature allows you to gather feedback from your connections or initiate a discussion on a relevant topic. Alternatively, if you have a specific document, such as a PDF, presentation, or report, you can easily add that for your audience to view. In addition to these options, you can ask your community for professional recommendations or help by using the Find an Expert feature. This can be a great way to leverage your network for advice or expertise. If you come across an article or resource that you believe would be valuable to your connections, you can share links too. Just paste the URL into the text field and wait a moment for the preview to load. Adding a brief description for context is always helpful, as it gives your network a better understanding of why you're sharing that link. Once you've crafted your message, included any media, and selected the formats that suit your needs, it's time to share your update. When you're satisfied with your post, simply click the Post button and it will be shared with your professional network. And there you have it. You're all set to post a status update on LinkedIn. Happy posting!